La police voulait la contrôler, mais son état presque psychotique a rendu la situation traumatique pour tout le monde.
I fucked it up. It's 'cause I'm psycho.
Et quand ils ont découvert ce qui se cachait derrière son attitude, ils étaient encore plus surpris par ce qui se passait.
I decided that I wanted to cheat on him. And then he found out. And then come to find out, my shit is all fucked up because I got herpes from this fool that I was...
Ils l'ont trouvé en pleurs sur le bas-côté de la route.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Just
I'm on the
listen.
side of the road and I'm crying. That's it.
Okay. The reason why I got called out is because of the little scene that you caused at the gas station.
All right, word. Well, I didn't hit nobody. I didn't do nothing. So I'm on the side of the road and I'm crying. And that's it. That's all you need to know.
L'impression qu'avaient les policiers était que cette femme était ivre. Aussi, se sont-ils armés de patience pour lui demander ses papiers.
So you can kiss my ass with your bullshit.
Well, they want you trespassing the gas station. So
That's fine.
Can I
Go
get you-
ahead. Write it up. Yep.
don't go to your car.
Hey, I'm grabbing my
Don't go to
ID.
your car.
I'm grabbing my ID like you asked me to, boss.
Did I ask you to grab your ID?
Yeah, but I knew you were finna to.
I didn't ask you to grab your ID.
All right,
You better
boss.
lose your fucking attitude right now.
Perfect.
I'm trying to be cool with you, but I can only take so much. All right?
What?
You keep it up, you're gonna be put in cuffs. What's your first name? What's your first name? If you don't provide me with your first name, I'm going to charge you with concealing identity. Okay?
You just told me not to go into my vehicle to grab my ID. So which one is it, boss?
I want you to identify yourself by your first name, last name, and date of birth.
Yeah, I can grab my ID so that you can do that.
I don't know what's in your vehicle.
I don't know what's in my vehicle either.
Aucun des officiers ne comprenait ce qui se passait. Et peu à peu, la situation est devenue de plus en plus incroyable et surréaliste.
Yeah, I can grab
No,
it.
he's gonna grab it.
Baby, it's right there. Yeah, yes, sir, it sure is. I don't think you should put your hands on me, sir. I don't think that's a good idea. Hey, I have to go potty, so can I use the bush right there right quick or no?
Hold on.
Before they get me into the bush.
Tout semblait être une blague pour elle. Mais quand ils lui ont demandé ce qui n'allait vraiment pas chez elle, elle a explosé.
What's up, girl? How you doing?
I'm great, man. How you doing tonight? How's it going? You all right?
No,
What's going on tonight? Why don't you talk to me? Like, what's wrong? Why don't you talk to me? It's okay. Listen, can you do me a favor?
I didn't do nothing about nothing. I'm just crying my ass off because my dad just left me.
Okay, come here.
Les flics continuaient de penser qu'elle était ivre, mais non.
Nice to meet you. Okay? Nice to meet you, sweetie. It's okay. It's okay. Just stay right there for him.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No, nothing. I'm just emotional. Fool. Why don't you understand that?
Le problème était que peu importe combien elle pleurait, les agents devaient répondre à l'appel pour lequel ils venaient la voir. Mais Bianca n'a pas voulu assumer la responsabilité de la plainte.
All right, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. My homie Snakes, he was right down the way. I wasn't knocking on no windows, first of all. Let me tell you something. So there, boom. I was backed into a parking spot over here, right here in this lot, huh? And then I hopped out. And my homie Snakes was like, all right, I'll be back this time. I'm like, all right, word. So then I see this 12-year-old little boy. He's like, hey, you're fine as fuck. Can I get your number? I was like, well, you're like 12.
My ID,
I was like, you're cute as fuck, but and you know what? Mad respect
Yeah.
for
My
having,
buddy kept dying. So.
having
No, yeah, I got
the
you.
confidence you do, but on some real shit, like he just left me.
La situation devenait de plus en plus tendue, mais ce qu'elle voulait clarifier, c'est qu'elle n'était pas ivre.
I have a mental disorder, and that's why I'm acting the way I'm acting. Not because I'm intoxicated, not because I have any intoxication of the sort.
Okay. Will you be willing to submit to standardized test sobriety test?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Can you fuck off with your stupid shit?
Au cours des minutes suivantes, un inconfortable test de sobriété sur le terrain s'est déroulé, où elle n'arrêtait pas de pleurer. Et bien sûr, elle ne pouvait pas croire tout ce qui était en train de se passer. Dans sa tête, elle voulait juste vivre sa peine de la manière la plus tranquille possible.
Come over here. Come over here.
Hey, don't touch me,
Come
fuck.
over. Come on. Let's go over
Please
here.
don't touch me. Just get
okay.
off of me.
It's okay.
Don't touch me.
Bianca, look at me.
You gotta relax.
We're asleep. It's okay.
He's touching me.
Well,
I
you know
am
what?
asking
Listen.
him
Okay,
not
listen.
to.
Les flics ne savaient vraiment pas quoi faire avec elle. Ses mouvements erratiques et son attitude agressive avaient tout le monde sur les nerfs. Et même si elle prétendait ne pas être ivre ou droguée, il était clair qu'elle avait consommé quelque chose.
I'm not. I swear to God,
I swear. Make sure you're okay.
I am. I'm just in this job because my boyfriend just left me. Why don't you get that?
Déjà dévastée par sa perte, elle a décidé de raconter toute son histoire d'amour à l'un des officiers chargés du dossier.
I found out he was cheating on me. So I ended up cheating on him. I decided that I wanted to cheat on him. And then he found out. And then come to find out, my shit is all fucked up because I got herpes from this school that I was. I don't even cheat on the people that I'm with.
Bianca serait finalement arrêtée et emmenée au poste de police sous l'accusation de conduite en état d'intoxication. Et c'est que malgré le fait qu'elle l'a nié durant toute la procédure, il était évident qu'elle avait consommé quelque chose.
Hey, if I'm not drunk, will you let me go? I'm asking you a fucking question.
Have a seat. Sit down.
I'm asking you a fucking question.
Sit down. Right now. We're not gonna play that shit. Get in the car.
Fucked up.
Yeah. Yeah, it was.